Beliefs are the architects of our reality. This profound truth invites us to explore the depth of our own perceptions. Plato, the ancient philosopher, illuminated this concept by suggesting that our reality is merely a shadow of the truth, shaped significantly by our beliefs. This idea resonates with the teachings of Buddha, who insightfully declared, "What we are is the result of what we have thought." Our beliefs, therefore, are not just passive reflections. They are active creators, molding our experiences and the world around us. Every thought we entertain, every belief we cling to, casts ripples across the canvas of our lives. Understanding this, we begin to grasp the immense power that lies within our minds, the power to shape our reality, to transform our experiences, and to redefine our existence. The universe is intricately interconnected, bridging quantum physics and spiritual wisdom. In the world of quantum physics, this interconnectedness suggests that every element of the universe is inextricably linked, blurring the lines between the observer and the observed, the physical and the metaphysical. Rumi, the 13th century mystic, captured this essence beautifully, seeing the entire universe in a grain of sand. His poetic insight reflects an understanding that everything in existence is part of a larger, dynamic whole. This interconnectedness implies that our consciousness is more than just a passive observer. It is an active participant in the fabric of reality. This interconnectedness reveals our own profound connection to the universe. Every thought and action we take contributes to the whole of the cosmos. The placebo effect stands as a profound demonstration of the tangible impact of belief on the human body. This phenomenon, where healing occurs through mere belief in treatment, underscores the powerful interplay between mind and matter. Bruce Lipton, a modern biologist, explored this mystery, revealing how deeply our physical health is intertwined with our mental states. His work sheds light on how our perceptions and beliefs can directly influence our biological functioning. The enduring influence of Paracelsus, a physician from the 16th century, is significantly prominent, echoing Lipton's profound insights. Paracelsus, often considered the father of toxicology, recognized early on the power of belief in healing. He famously stated, "The dose makes the poison," a concept extending beyond physical substances to the domain of thoughts and beliefs. Paracelsus understood that a patient's belief in a cure could be as potent as the cure itself. This understanding of the placebo effect unravels a larger truth about human nature, which is that our beliefs have the power to transform our physical reality. Our beliefs about interventions are just as important as their chemical composition or mechanics. The placebo effect, therefore, becomes a window into the profound capabilities of human consciousness, a testament to our ability to shape our health and reality with the power of belief. The interplay of the subconscious and conscious mind greatly shapes our human experience. Carl Jung, the Swiss psychiatrist, delved deeply into the subconscious, revealing its profound influence. He proposed that this hidden dimension of our psyche is not just a reservoir of repressed thoughts, but a wellspring of creativity, intuition, and deep-seated beliefs. According to Jung, the symbols and narratives that emerge from our subconscious shape our perceptions and experiences in profound ways. Complementing Carl Jung's insights, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, a sage of modern spirituality, emphasized the transformational power of conscious intention. He taught that while the subconscious mind might be the canvas, it is our conscious intent that holds the brush. By deliberately directing our conscious thoughts and intentions, we can influence the deeper currents of the subconscious, guiding our inner narrative towards positive transformation. This interplay between the depths of the subconscious and the focus of conscious intent offers a powerful tool for personal growth. It suggests that by becoming more aware of our subconscious patterns and deliberately aligning our conscious intentions with our deepest values, we can not only navigate our inner world more effectively, but also manifest profound changes in our outer reality. The synergy of these concepts from Carl Jung and Maharishi Mahesh Yogi opens a pathway to understanding the full spectrum of human potential, from the depths of the subconscious to the peaks of conscious creation. The intricate connection between belief and biology is a fascinating domain where modern neuroscience converges with the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Neuroscience, with its deep exploration into the workings of the brain and nervous system, reveals how our beliefs and thoughts can physically alter our brain's structure and function. This neuroplasticity illustrates that our mental patterns and beliefs have the power to forge new neural pathways, influencing everything from our emotional responses to our physical health. Mirroring these scientific insights, Ayurveda, the age-old holistic science of life from India, has long held that our mental state is deeply entwined with our physical well-being. Ayurvedic teachings emphasize that our thoughts and beliefs can balance or imbalance our bodily systems, affecting our overall health. This ancient wisdom suggests that the mind and body are not separate entities, but part of an interconnected system where beliefs act as a bridge, influencing our physiological states. This synthesis of modern neuroscience and Ayurvedic wisdom offers a profound understanding of how deeply our beliefs are embedded in our biological makeup. It underscores the idea that our mental and emotional states are not just reflections of physical well-being, but also active contributors to it. Recognizing this connection opens new possibilities for healing and wellness, where aligning our beliefs positively can lead to holistic health improvements, both mentally and physically. Transforming our lives through beliefs is a powerful practice, beautifully illuminated by the teachings of Eckhart Tolle and the Stoic philosophy of Marcus Aurelius. Tolle, in his emphasis on the power of now, teaches us the importance of anchoring our beliefs in the present moment. This practice involves recognizing and releasing limiting beliefs rooted in past pains or future anxieties, and instead cultivating beliefs that resonate with our true essence in the here and now. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, advocated for a life of virtue aligned with rational thinking and present moment awareness. He suggested that by aligning our beliefs with our present circumstances and focusing on what is within our control, we can maintain inner peace and resilience. To harness beliefs for personal growth, one can start by mindfully observing their current beliefs, questioning their origins, and assessing whether or not they align with personal values and their current reality. The next step is to consciously choose beliefs that empower, uplift, and support our highest potentials, turning them into daily affirmations or mantras. This practice, inspired by Tolle's and Aurelius's teachings, can transform our internal narrative, leading to profound changes in our perceptions, emotions, and ultimately, our life experiences. The exploration of our beliefs is paramount, a sentiment echoed in the poetic wisdom of Rainer Maria Rilke and the philosophical insights of Socrates. Rilke encouraged us to live the questions, to embrace the uncertainty and mystery of life as a path to deeper understanding. This resonates with the Socratic philosophy of know thyself, where the pursuit of self-knowledge is the highest quest. Understanding our beliefs is like navigating a labyrinth. It requires patience, introspection, and courage to confront the unknown within us. Our beliefs are the lenses through which we view the world and ourselves. They shape our actions, reactions, and ultimately, our destiny. The process of examining and refining these beliefs is not just an intellectual exercise. It's a transformative journey that can lead us to greater awareness, freedom, and fulfillment. By embracing this journey, we open ourselves to a world of infinite possibilities, discovering not just who we are, but who we can become.